Abdul Rashid Sheikh, who is Engineer Rashid to Kashmir, has stunned everybody from Delhi's Tihar jail. Known for his pro-separatist stand, Rashid has emerged as a giant slayer, defeating former J&K Chief Minister Omar Abdullah by a huge margin of around 2 lakh votes from Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla.
बारामुल्ला पार्लिमानी सेगमेंट के लोगों ने जो फैसला सुनाया है वो हमारे सिर आंखों पे।
Engineer Rashid is languishing in Tihar in a terror funding case since 2019. His Awami Ittihad party was virtually nowhere on the political scene of Kashmir until Lok Sabha elections were announced. Rashid decided to contest and his son took on himself to campaign for his jailed father. Rallies by Rashid's son attracted thousands across North Kashmir, from Kupwara to Baramulla to parts of Budgam, and stunned politicians like Omar Abdullah and Sajad Lone, who too were contesting from Baramulla. Rashid, previously as a member of erstwhile J&K Assembly, called for a plebiscite in Kashmir. He even supported militants like Burhan Wani, blaming New Delhi for the turmoil in the valley. In 2015, he allegedly hosted a beef party in J&K MLA hostel in defiance of a ban order by then BJP-PDP government. Next day, he was assaulted by BJP MLAs inside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly.
हमने एक बिल लाया था कि जो बीफ पे बैन लगा है, महाराजा का जो काला कानून था उसको खत्म किया जाए। बिल अलाउ हुआ था, उस बार भी उन्होंने बड़ी चालाकी के साथ उस बिल को लास्ट पे रखा और फिर कहा कि हाउस का वक्त खत्म हो गया। तो प्रेसिडेंस ये है, कानून ये है कि वो बिल अब जब इस बार प्राइवेट मेंबर्स की बिलें उठेंगी तो उसका पहला सीरियल नंबर था, लेकिन उन्होंने उस बिल को कहीं बिजनेस में रखा ही नहीं। मैंने इसीलिए इनसे कहा ये डेमोक्रेसी का आपने मर्डर किया है।
Unlike the past, Baramulla recorded a huge turnout of over 59%, and it is being attributed to Rashid's entry into the poll fray. Experts say the first-time voters who in the past preferred to stay away from the poll process on the call of separatists chose to vote for Rashid as they view him as someone who aligns with their ideology.
इंजीनियर रशीद साहब जब मैदान में उतरे तो जाहिर सी बात है इलेक्शन में उनका मुकाबला करना हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा और मुश्किल पड़ गया। और जिस तरह का सेंटिमेंट बना, जिस तरह नौजवानों ने, हमारी माओं ने, बहनों ने इंजीनियर रशीद की रिहाई के लिए वोट डाले, नतीजा अब आपके सामने है।
It is unlikely that Rashid will be freed from Tihar jail anytime soon. But his victory from Kashmir is a message of defiance to New Delhi and rejection of traditional mainstream.